When it comes to kitchen appliances, few tools are as versatile and indispensable as a high-quality immersion blender. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie, blending soup directly in the pot, or creating silky sauces, a reliable hand blender can make all the difference. Enter this Blackcow Immersion Blender, 800 watts electric hand blender, a tool designed not just for performance, but also for ease of use, durability, and efficiency. Let's dive into an in-depth review of this impressive kitchen gadget, see what makes it stand out from the competition. At the heart of the Blackcow Immersion Blender is its powerful 800 watts copper motor. Unlike many other immersion blenders that struggle with tougher ingredients, this model handles everything from leafy greens to ice with ease. The power behind this motor ensures that your blending is both quick and efficient, saving you time in the kitchen. What's more, despite its strength, the motor operates quietly. Pleasant surprise for anyone who has been startled by the loud roar of less refined blenders. Power doesn't just mean speed. It also translates to smooth and consistent results. Whether you're blending fruits for a smoothie, pureeing vegetables for a soup, or emulsifying sauces, the Blackcow blender's motor ensures that you get a perfectly smooth texture every time. The motor's efficiency is further enhanced by its 6-speed control, which allows you to adjust the blending speed based on your needs. Whether you're making a delicate frothy mix or breaking down tough ingredients, you have the flexibility to choose the right speed. One of the standout features of the Blackcow Immersion Blender is its innovative 3D stainless steel 4-blade design. Unlike traditional blenders that often leave chunks or require multiple passes to fully blend ingredients, this model's blades cut and blend food from multiple angles. This design significantly reduces food clogging and blending time, ensuring that your food is uniformly mixed. The 4-blade system also allows for a smoother consistency in less time. For instance, when blending a soup directly in the pot, the blender quickly breaks down the ingredients to a velvety texture without the need to strain or re-blend. This efficiency is especially beneficial when preparing recipes that require precise texture, such as baby food or purees. The blades are also made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to staining, which is essential when dealing with acidic ingredients like tomatoes. Using an immersion blender can be a tedious task, especially if the design is bulky or uncomfortable. However, the Blackcow Immersion Blender shines in this aspect with its ergonomic non-slip handle. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. This is particularly useful for those who spend a lot of time in the kitchen or for recipes that require extended blending. The handle's rubber-coated ABS body not only provides a secure grip, but also minimizes vibration and noise, making the blending process more enjoyable. The thoughtful design ensures that even at higher speeds, the blender remains stable and easy to control. This level of comfort and control is not something you find in every immersion blender, making the Blackcow model a standout option for both professional chefs and home cooks. One of the key advantages of the Blackcow Immersion Blender is its portability. The detachable 20-centimeter blending arm makes it easy to store and transport. So whether you're blending in your own kitchen or taking it to a friend's house for a cooking session, this blender fits the bill. Its compact design does not compromise on power or efficiency, making it a versatile tool for various culinary tasks. The blender comes with 6-speed settings and a turbo mode, giving you complete control over the blending process. From making silky smoothies to crushing ice, the Blackcow blender handles it all. The versatility of this blender is further enhanced by its ability to blend, chop, and mix directly in pots, bowls, and juice pitchers, reducing the number of dishes you need to wash afterward. This feature is particularly handy when preparing large meals or working with multiple recipes at once. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a chore, but the Blackcow Immersion Blender makes it as painless as possible. The detachable blending arm and stainless steel blades are both dishwasher safe, meaning you can simply pop them in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. This feature is a huge time saver, especially after preparing meals that leave a lot of residues, such as thick soups or sauces. The hand blender's minimalistic design, fewer parts to disassemble, ensures that you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations. PowerCord also features a loop for easy storage, allowing you to keep your kitchen tidy and organized. Durability is a crucial factor when investing in kitchen appliances, and the Blackcow Immersion blender does not disappoint. The stainless steel body and blades are designed for long-lasting use, resistant to wear and tear from frequent blending. This ensures that even with daily use, the blender maintains its performance and does not suffer from issues like blade dullness or motor burnout. The robust construction also means that this blender can handle tougher tasks, such as crushing ice or blending fibrous vegetables, without compromising its integrity. This makes it an excellent investment for those who are serious about their cooking and require a reliable tool that can keep up with their culinary demand. In conclusion, the Blackcow Immersion Blender, 800 watts electric hand blender with 6-speed and turbo, is a powerful, versatile, and durable kitchen tool that is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. Its combination of a powerful motor, innovative blade design, ergonomic handle, and easy maintenance makes it a standout option in the market. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this blender offers the performance and convenience you need. Create delicious, healthy meals with ease. The ability to blend directly in pots and bowls, easy-to-clean design, and the comfortable handling make this blender a joy to use. With the Blackcow Immersion Blender, you're not just getting a kitchen tool, you're investing in a reliable partner that will help you prepare meals faster, cleaner, and more efficiently. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.